Productivity starts with small steps. Think about your typical workday. Do you feel as if you're getting as much accomplished as you can? You may leave things for the next day as your biggest priorities have pushed them aside. When this happens, you wind up with a pile-up of tasks, which can lead to a feeling of being overwhelmed, stressed, and just plain tired. It may seem that overhauling the way you look at productivity is a massive undertaking. However, some of the biggest changes start with the smallest steps. Today, we'll show you how productivity starts with small steps and how you can use those steps to master your schedule, both at home and at work. Avoid multitasking. While everyone likes to refer to themselves as a competent multitasker on resumes and job interviews, juggling too much at once means you're inevitably going to drop something. If you work on too many things at once, you might feel you're getting more done. However, this is not always the case. When you multitask, you may end up starting a lot of tasks, but finishing only a few. Begin your day by taking things one task at a time and seeing that task through to completion. Once it's done, you no longer have to worry about finishing it while you're busy starting something else. This will improve your quality of work overall and help that work get done much faster. Make a shorter to-do list. Long to-do lists are always jotted down with the best of intentions. You wake up with dreams of getting everything done, leaving you to relax the rest of the day. However, overstuffing your to-do list can actually lead to you finishing just a fraction of what you set out to do. When you end the day with several unaccomplished items on the agenda, you may feel a sense of failure. A small step you can take to boost your productivity is to write a shorter to-do list. Prioritize your most important tasks and commit to finishing them in their entirety. If you begin with the hardest task first and get it out the way, everything else will feel much easier in comparison. Set a timer. Setting a timer is a deceptively simple trick, but one that can help get the power of productivity flowing. Figure out what working pace works best for you. If you usually take 25 minutes to get a task done, set a timer for that 25 minutes. Working in spurts with a timer set to alert you when it's time to take a break will work wonders for your overall work ethic. Cut out distractions. If you work with music playing, your email notifications on and droves of people filing in and out around you, then you're well aware of how easy it is to get distracted. These things will cause a lot of mental clutter. It makes it all harder to focus on what you need to get done and can lead to you adding more items to your to-do list. If your co-worker comes in and talks to you about a project, it may inspire you to make a few additions to it. This can throw you off the rhythm of the current task and lead to it being left unfinished. Cutting out your distractions by turning off email notifications, switching to a more focus-based music station, or asking your co-workers to chat with you at certain times will leave you seeing a massive spike in your productivity. These small steps can be done right from your desk or at home. They're slight alterations, minuscule habits that will blossom into bigger ones. Once you've mastered the small steps, the bigger ones will come to you easily.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.